I'm here at the New Century Resources hydro mining operation in northwest Queensland with one of our remote control track-based hydro mining cannons. Now this cannon is one of 5 that we have in operation. 3 always operate together, and then we've got 2 on standby for redundancy and for pipe extensions as it's required.
Each one of these cannons currently produce around 400 dry tonnes per hour. Most of our cannons are equipped with a 54mm nozzle, ejecting water at a pressure of 36 bar or 522 psi.
As part of our drive to continuously improve our safety and efficiencies, we always have improvement and innovation projects happening in the background. A major success over the last few years was to design and develop a new nozzle to replace the conventional orifice plate style that is used in operations all over the world. So the revised tapered nozzle reduces the losses by providing a more gradual acceleration field, which in turn encourages high flow rates. It also improves the laminar flow and keeps the jet stream together for a longer distance to improve energy right at the furthest point. This nozzle has been extensively tested and applied in full operation here on site for the last 18 months.
Simulations and tests that were done on the tapered nozzle indicated an improvement in the exit velocity of 16% and also an increase of 13% in the flow rate. While more efficient at the mining phase, it also provides an energy saving at the pump station. All the test results are evident in the data we see on site. Our densities have improved dramatically, from averaging around 32% solids to consistently delivering plus 39% even when mining in harder areas. We are now able to mine wider cuts, requiring less pipe moves, and get rid of the back wall without sacrificing density and consistency.
On the cannon side, over the last few months, our team consulted with the workforce, our mine technical services team, and various industry experts all over Australia in several fields of engineering to develop a hydro mining cannon that is optimized for our specific site conditions and that meets our requirements. This final design is now approved and local manufacturing has already started in Mount Isa.
This cannon is physically bigger and wider, built on a 14.5 tonne excavator track base, providing way more power, which will improve our stability, towing capacity, traction in the wet, and ability to move and manoeuvre the cannon under pressure.
This heavier and larger cannon will allow us to mine 550 tonnes per hour from a single cannon, which is a 40% increase to what we currently have. Let's hear from some team members about more improvements.
On the cannon, the hydraulic cylinders are replaced with slew drives, and we will use quality double bearing high pressure swivels with physical stops to prevent movement out of the mining arc. The monitor attachment will be ambidextrous and able to mine from both sides without disconnecting and changing the high pressure flexi hose.
The new cannon design has a 10 metre high integrated lighting mast, whereas in our current situation we have these separate lighting towers which we need to push into place before the start of a night shift and also remove on a day shift so that we can push up our operators' huts as the cannons progress. Not only will the new design save up to 10,000 litres of diesel per year, it limits that interaction between humans and machinery and also ensures the best possible illumination for the cutting phase.
The new cannon design incorporates proportional valves and variable displacement hydraulic pumps to deliver efficiency gains and increased equipment reliability.
The end game is to substitute the diesel hydraulic system with an on-demand generator that will only power the electro-hydraulic system. These changes will not only reduce engine hours, maintenance and fuel consumption, but also improve our availability and increase productivity through consistency.
Our cannons are currently remote control operated from a purpose-built hut located more than 30 metres away to ensure operator safety. The aim is ultimately to remove all our cannon operators from the tailings storage facility to limit exposure to dust and the environmental conditions. This will be done gradually, but the new cannon will be equipped with a remote control system that was tested on site to 3.2 kilometres, as well as 2 Axis high-definition remote cleaning cameras.
Through quality instrumentation and a state-of-the-art interface, data and trends will be available to myself, the cannon operators and the maintenance team.
At New Century Resources, we are not only operating the largest hydraulic mining operation in the history of Australia, but we also pride ourselves on being at the global forefront of technology to ultimately maintain safe, efficient and sustainable operations.